boy.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Wow, there's a lot of them in there.
Wow. That's from you guys?
There's all the garbage.
Right back here for now. In the shed.
Hey, Matt, let me know if any of those presents are mine, will you?
I like
And this
that
one's
wrapping
from you guys
paper.
too?
I like that wrapping
Wow.
paper. That's really cool. It's like pirate ship. Oh!
Yes.
Wow, look at that, Matt.
More triple A, double A better.
Wow.
Wow. How cool.
Michelle,
What?
who's that belong to?
Matt.
I think we should leave it alone for now.
Yeah, we'll leave it for now. Play with it later.
That's Matt.
Matt, let's figure, what is it exactly?